So now we're going to talk about the difference of squares technique. Now, this only works when we are in a very specific format, and that format is a times x squared minus c. In other words, b has to equal 0 for this to work. Now, the other thing that we always need to make sure that we're on the lookout for is any sort of common factors. We will want to pull those out before we start anything whenever those occur. So now let's try a problem. All right, this says 9x squared minus 49. Now, in this case, we're not going to start out with one where the leading coefficient of 1 is 1 because I wanted to try something a little harder. So the first thing I look at is, do I have any common factors between 9 and 49? Do I have any common factors between 9 and 49? And in this case, the answer is no. So the first thing I do is I square root 9. The square root of 9 is, in fact, 3. So I know, in this case, each of these is going to become 3x. In one case, it's going to be plus, and in the other case, it's minus. Now, you'll notice that b is 0 in this case, because we don't see a plus something x. That means the numbers have to cancel out. And the only way they're going to cancel out is if they're the same. So what we do with the 49 is we square root it, and the square root of 49 is 7. So 3x plus 7 times 3x minus 7. And sure enough, if I was to FOIL it, this is the answer I'd get. Now let's try another one. Ooh, this one's a little bit more difficult. So the first thing I have to do is I have to look and see, do I have any common factors? Well, I know I have at least a common factor of 2. So 2 times, let's see, 4x squared minus, in this case, 98 becomes 49. All right, 49 and 4 do not have any common factors, so I think we're good. So it becomes 2 times, let's see, the square root of 4 is 2, so 2x plus times 2x minus. In this case, the square root of 49 is, once again, 7. So there we go. Now let's try a third one. Oh, good. Now we have the easy ones. When the leading coefficient is 1, all we do is we say x plus the square root of 25 is 5 times x minus 5. And with our last one, in this case, the square root of 100 is 10, so x plus 10 times x minus 10. And that's how we do the difference of squares. Thank you.